All right. How do you create zones on the Gemstone Lights App Hub 2? Let's open up the app and find out. So when you open up yours, you'll see, if you have device groups, you'll see that, or you'll just see devices. In my case, it says showroom. I'm going to click on that. Now, a zone you create, so let's say you have some dormers, or you have first story, second story, or really whatever. You can create zones so you can control and set architectural designs, so specific patterns just for those. So you could have one dormer red, one dormer white, one dormer blue, and then the rest of the house warm white if you want, right? So let's go ahead. There's a couple different ways to do it, but the easiest way to do it is in the right-hand corner here, there's a cog. You're going to go ahead and click that. See a bunch of options here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down, it says Zone Manager. Go ahead, click into that. By default, it'll say all zones or all lights. That means it's every light on your house. To create a new pattern or a new zone, there's a plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. Click that. You can name your zone. I'm going to call this one Dormer 1. Okay. I can choose the icon, right? There's tons of choices, so you can pick whichever one, fits yours best or whatever you want to do. I'm going to choose the wall icon because why not? And you see it says tap to select a single light or tap and hold to select multiple lights. So here's a tap, then here's a tap and hold, right? So when you tap this, the light on your home will start to blink. That's how you can find it. So let's pretend I choose light 21. Well, right now in the showroom, light 21 is blinking. And if I choose 29, now lights 21 and 29 are blinking. So you do this until you find the dormer, and you select all the lights that are on the dormer. You'll see them all blinking. Once they're all blinking, you have all the lights blinking that you want inside of that zone, you're all set. Just click Save. All right, so then I'm going to create another one by hitting the plus sign. We'll call this one Dormer 2. Okay, and this one is 38 through 45. Okay, I tapped all those, and then I'm going to click Save. Right, so we're going to do this as the example. So now we have the zones. How do we utilize the zones? So we're going to go hit the back button, hit the back button again. So to utilize the zones, it says colors, music, and create. I'm going to tap on create. Then I'm going to tap on architectural design. Now you can see, unlike before, now we have all lights, Dormer 1 and Dormer 2. I'm going to name this one USA Pride. And what I want here is Dormer 1 to be red, Dormer 2 to be blue, and all the other lights to be warm white. So first I'm going to click on Dormer 1. I'm going to do Tools. Then I'm going to do Select All. And I'm going to choose red. Okay. And then I'm going to hit the back button in the upper left-hand corner. And now I'm going to click Dormer 2. I'm going to click on Tools. Then I'm going to choose Select All. And then I'm going to choose Blue. Then in the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to hit the back button. So now you see Dormer 1 is red, Dormer 2 is blue. I'm going to click on All Lights now. As you can see here, a lot of these are black. And when they're black boxes, it just means that they're not going to be lit in this pattern. But that's not what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and select all the other lights. Now you could set up a zone for all of these other lights as well if you wanted to, but okay. So now I have everything but the dormer selected, and I want those as warm white. So I'm going to click on warm white, and then I'm going to hit the back button. Well, I accidentally did cyan, so I'm going to go back through and change them all to warm white. So as you can see, if you do make a mistake, super easy to fix, no big deal. I'm tapping all the ones that I accidentally just made cyan and making them warm white. Okay, now they're correct. I'm going to hit the back button. And now you can see all lights are white, dormer 1 is red, dormer 2 is blue. On the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to click Save, or you can hit the play button and get a preview. I'm going to click save. Now I have this where I can tap it, and you can see now playing the USA Pride architectural design utilizing my zones.